And this is where the magic happens. If it's selling, 1,000 a month and they're the only creator with a video on there, like that is bank. This is part one of a series I'm gonna do on introducing and doing tutorials for the new Logie5 AI software, which is like freaking incredible on just exploding your Amazon influencer income potential. I have been part of a test beta group for the past month, testing it out, requesting features, and they just are improving it every day. And it is so, oh my, mwah, chef's kiss, so amazing, but it's overwhelming. So skip ahead if you want to go straight to the first tutorial, which is going to be how I search to find the best products with the best commission potential. A little self-introduction. I am a 6-figure earning full-time content creator and mom of 3. I've been doing Amazon influencer program for 5 years. My income is kind of split between on-site commission and sponsorships. Most of my product reviews are sponsored by the brand or the Amazon seller. So they send me the product, they pay me to create a video, I publish the video to YouTube and Amazon. And then when a shopper is on Amazon shopping and want to know more about the product, if they watch my video on the product page, I will get the commission. If they watch my YouTube tutorial or whatever video and then they click my affiliate link and buy it, I will get the commission. So it's kind of this like really great system of sponsored videos, YouTube ad revenue, and commission from sales. And all together, plus some like social media sponsorships, it's all like over 100,000 income a year, working from home on my own schedule, nurse calls, I can go get my kids, we could take vacations. It's just like the best job ever. I love it. Historically, it's been really hard to like do the best you can do all by yourself. There are a lot of very expensive softwares out there. Some of them are free, but for like the best part and the best features, you gotta pay. And so a lot of us out there are subscribing to like 2 or 3 or more of these different Amazon influencer softwares to help us get the best commission and find the best products and all this stuff. But oh my gosh, Logie5 is the new one, which kind of replaces everything. And I'm so excited. Some creators focus on product research and buying products that they think will make a lot of money. So for example, a product that costs $200, and they will get 4% commission on every sale. And if it's in a creator connection program, they'll get another 10 or 20%. And if it's selling, 1,000 a month and they're the only creator with a video on there, like that is bank. They will make their money back like 100-fold in a month. I mean, it's just ridiculous. But finding these little magical, perfect products are really hard. And because I focus on sponsored videos, I just don't have time to go do the research for this. But I do research when I'm buying my own products for stuff that I need. So right now, and this is where the tutorial is starting. Right now, I need to buy my kids iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 screen protectors. So here's where I'm gonna walk you through using Logie5 to find the magical unicorn products that are going to be high sales volume, low competition because almost no creators have videos on them, have a creator connection campaign so that they're like giving like 20% kind of commission, and just the different ways that you can sort your search to find these amazing products. So let's go. I will link my affiliate code for Logie5 in the video description below. You can get in for free, but my code will give you 50% off all of their subscriber ones. So if you get in with my code and then you can upgrade later, like whatever, and then I'll get some commission. You won't pay anymore, but show me your love. But yeah, you can just go in and start playing around, and you won't have access to all the best features, but you'll have like some really good features for free. But you gotta pay that money to get the best features, and oh my gosh, so worth it, guys. So with Logie5, once you have it installed as an extension on your computer, you can access all the data right on Amazon when you're shopping. And you can also access it from your dashboard on Logie5.com. I can't really show you how to search and stuff on Amazon because I have to like blur out most of it because they're really specific about not showing it. But what I want to focus on today is searching on Logie5.com. You go in Logie5.com portal and you click discover up here. You can search a product up here, but I like to go to all filters down here. Okay. And this is where the magic happens. You can search brand or category. You can search for ones that have active samples only. So you see here it says silver and gold and platinum. So these are different levels. I'm platinum, so I could search all the things. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna say at least one brand video because that unlocks the upper carousel. We need at least one of those. I will do a max of 3 because sometimes the brand puts like 10 and then they lock out all the creators from the upper carousel. Creator, there's no minimum. I want a maximum of 2 creator videos because I don't want a lot of competition in there. Some videos, and this is one cool thing about Logie5, like it'll tell you how many creator videos are on a product page. So when you're on the product page, this will populate at the top and it'll show you how many videos are on that product page in the upper and lower carousel. If you're on the page, earning potential, it's got a 16 out of 100, which is terrible. How many were bought in the last month, the revenue in the past month, the ranking in the category. So much information they give you here. It'll also tell you if it has a creator connection campaign and you can actually accept it or join it right from the product page. There are so many videos behind the curtain, so to speak, that Amazon is like rotating them and stuff. And when I'm on Logie5 and I'm looking, some of these have like 500 creator videos and you're like, how does mine even have a chance of getting put on the product page? Like, I mean, I guess it's random. There's always a chance, but not a good chance. Let's do a maximum of 2 creator videos because we're not going for like decent chance here. We're going for the magic unicorn products. Then customer videos, I don't really care. Upper carousel, yes, we want a minimum of 1 and we want a max, I don't know, let's say 5. And lower, I don't care. Price, let's go with a minimum of 10 because these $1 kind of products, they're not gonna earn you much unless you sell like 1 million of them. And we'll do a max of 200. So if I was just searching for random products, I would do this, but we are doing the screen protectors. So let's go down, let's do a minimum of, we're not gonna do a minimum. We'll do a maximum though of 30. I don't wanna spend more than 30 on a screen protector set. Rating, yeah, we want it to be a good product that people like. So we'll say 4.5. And reviews, I don't care. And then how many bought per month, this is important. I usually want to do something with at least 50, but we're gonna start with 300 because we want something that is like selling. And some of these screen protectors, especially for the newer phone models, some of them are selling like 5,000 a month. I mean, that's incredible. And down here, if you're gold, you can have a minimum or maximum opportunity score, and that's Logie kind of like looking at all the things that I just selected and way more than that as well to give you kind of the chance of making good money on this product. Sales rank, I don't know. I don't really look at these. And then let's do this. Has a creator connections campaign because those unlock major extra commission. Screen protector. Apply. Oh, no matches. I'll show you what happens if you take this off and you're just like, oh, let's find some random products that I don't even need, but just might make me a lot of money, might be worth investing in. That's where you can start looking at these. So for example, these Houseables glass marbles, 1 creator video, 1 brand video, 1,000 bought in the last month. Yeah. And it has a creator connection campaign, so there's an extra 15% commission. Then you can click through to see the product page. And then these are the score that Logie's saying. So anything like 100 is just gonna be high potential. Here's a probiotic. Only 1 creator video, 1 brand video, 1,000 bought in the last month. Oh my gosh, just crazy. Okay, so, but we are looking for screen protectors and my parameters were too harsh. So let's do this again. I think this one's maybe killing us. Let's see. No, still maximum. Let's take that off. Oh, those are cases, not screen protectors. So still we're not finding anything good, but just to show you, if you wanted to buy a case with a screen protector, this one is number 4 in sales and 2,000 bought in the last month and only 2 creator videos. So that's amazing. But that's not helping us. So let's go. Maximum upper, we'll take that one off. That opened up one more, but still, no, what's happening here? I'll take off the rating. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so now we've got way more. So now you can start clicking through and checking on these, and you can tap for insights. And this is where they have AI that like spells out why it's a good opportunity. It tells you all about the product as well as the videos that are already there, what they are doing. Oh my God, guys, it's ridiculous how much information they're able to pull from Amazon using AI. It's amazing. I'm gonna do more of these videos as I work through all of the stuff it can do, because it's just like overwhelming almost. You have to figure out like how you need to use it. Like some people are using it to create AI photos for Creator Connections products that they can just like instantly create the image, join the Creator Connections campaign, share it to Pinterest and Facebook or whatever, and it's like within a few minutes, like boom, done. They never had the product. Just crazy. I hope you found this helpful and interesting. And if you want to learn more about Logie5, stay tuned for more in this series, but also click the link below. Remember, you can use my link and sign up for free, or you can go ahead and upgrade to one of the paid packages either now or later, no pressure, but it's just an amazing resource. If you're an Amazon influencer or affiliate, it's just the best thing out there ever. So good.